are in a live classes. Today our amazing assignment is chapter 8 measurement mental maths exercise 8.2 question number 1 to 4. You can refer for page numbers 49 to 51. Coming to first one, find the sum of the following numbers. So what is the given one here? 3.25 grams, 3.25 grams and 32.507 grams. So 3.25 grams as nothing but 3.250 also we can write like 32.507. Now add the numbers 5 plus 32 point, we can write 0 or nothing to no need to write also same, because 0 plus 7 is 7 here, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5 and here 3. So what is the answer? The sum is 35.757 grams. Next one, 5 liters 35 milliliters. 5 liters 35 milliliters. We can write as 5 liters 035 milliliters also. Now 17 liters 9 milliliters means 009 milliliters. Like here 825 liters 082 milliliters. So first arranging columns, liters and milliliters are given. 5 liters 35 milliliters means we can write 035 milliliters 17009 and 825 082. Now we have to add. So 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 how much children? 5 plus 9 is nothing but 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Write 6 here. 1 we group it. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. So write here 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So it will be 1. So now add it here in liters column. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 1 we group it. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So it will be 8. So the sum is 847 liters. 847 liters. 126 milliliters. So where we are giving 35 milliliters means we have to keep the 0. And here only 9 milliliters means 2 zeros. Like here only 82 means 082. So like we have to write, we can convert into add it will get easy. Next one, find the difference between these measurements. So what is the given one? 32 meters, 75 millimeters, 14 meters, 25 centimeters. So here 32 meters. So different measurements are there. So first convert lower unit, that is easy to subtract. So 32 meters 75 millimeters. Just we can write this as 32075 millimeters. Like 14 meters 25 centimeters. First I am writing in centimeters. So that will be 1425, 1425 centimeters. Already we know 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters because higher to lower. So that means 1425 into 10. So we will get 14250 millimeters. Now subtract, we will get easy. So 32,075 millimeters minus 14,250 millimeters. So now subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now 0 minus 2 we cannot. It will be 10. It will be 1. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 4 we cannot. So we have to regroup it. 3 will become 2. And here 1 will become 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now this will be millimeters. Just I am converting as meters. 17.825 meters. 17.825 meters. Because you know that one lower unit to higher unit. Lowest unit to highest unit. What we have to do? We have to divide. So which number we have to divide? Divide with 1000. So that means 3 decimal places will come. 17.825 meters. Coming to next one. 4.753 kgs, and this will be I am writing as 47.530 kgs. Now which is bigger, children? So this will be bigger. Now subtract 47.530 kgs minus 4.753 kgs. Now 0 minus 3 can be, children? No, we have to regroup it from here. So it will be 10. It will be 2. 10 minus 3 is 7. 2 minus 5 we cannot. So 2 will become 12. So this 5 will become 4. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now 4 minus 7 we cannot. Again regroup it. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. No, here it will be regroup it already. So this 7 will become 6. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 4. So the difference is 42.77 kgs. Now coming to next one. Convert each of the given measurements into bigger unit. Then find the product. So what is the bigger unit here? Gram. What is this one? Milligram. 43 grams 732 milligrams. So just I am converting into bigger unit. So for that what we have to do? We have to divide with 1000. We have to divide with 1000. So we'll get 43.732 grams. Now multiply into 18. Into 18. 43.732 into 18. So multiply 8 2s are 16, 1, 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25, 2, 8 7s are 56 plus 2 is 58, 5 regroup it, 8 3s are 24 plus 5 is 24 plus 5 is 29, write 2 here, 8 4s are 32 plus 2 is 34, now ones place should be 0, 1 2 2, 1 3 3, 1 7 7, 1 3 3, 1 4 4. Now add 6 plus 0 is 0, 6, sorry, 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1, here 1 regroup it, 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 1 regroup it, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 plus 4 is 7. Now, how many decimal places will come? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places are there in multiplicate. So, 3 decimal places will come. 1, 2, 3 from right to left. So, here. So, what is the product? The product is 1.76 grams. What is the unit is there here? Grams. So 787.176 grams. Okay, children. So the units are the bigger unit 787.176 grams. 4,753 meters 34 centimeters. Now we have to convert into bigger unit. So what is that one? 4,753 meters 34 centimeters. We can convert 4,753.34 meters because we are converting bigger unit. Smaller unit also we are converting. It will be the decimal place will come. Now multiply with 24. So 4753.34 into 24. Now multiply 4 fours are 16, 1, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13, 1, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 1, 4 5s 20 plus 1, 21, 2 regroup it, 4 7s are 28 plus 2 is 30, 0 right here, 3 regroup it, 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is 19. Now ones place should be 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, again 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 1 regroup it. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Now add the numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Write 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 regroup it. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. Now how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. Here the decimal place. So what is the product, children? The product is, we'll get 114,080.16 meters. Okay? Got it, children, here? What did you get? 1,14,080.16 meters. Coming to next one. Write in decimal form and find the quotient and the remainder. So first we have to write in the decimal form. Write in the decimal form. So for that, just already you know here only 72 meters are there. So what did you get here? 0. So 23 kilometers, 72 meters. What did you get? 23.072, because 72 only is there. 72 kilometers. Okay. Then we have to divide 10. So 23.072 is divided by 10. So can we divide here? One digit we will not take because here given the 2-digit number. How many times we can take? Approximately 2 times. So 20. Subtract 3. Now 0. So decimal point keep it. So 33 times. Take 3 tens are 30. Now bring down 7. So 7 is not divisible. Now divide. 7 is not divided by 10. So 7. Now keep the 0 in the quotient. Now take 2, means bring down 2. So how many times we can take, children? 7 times. Approximately 7 times are 70. Now 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 0 is 7. So the quotient is 2.307 kilometers and the remainder is 2. Next one, 7 kilometers, 7 meters, 7 centimeters. Okay, and here we have divided by 7. Convert into meters. First we have to convert into meters. So 7 kilometers, 7 meters, 7 centimeters is given. So 7 kilometers we have to convert into meters. So 7 kilometers equal to 7,000 meters. Plus 7 meters. What did you get? 7,007 meters. Okay. Now we have to write this centimeters. We have to keep this one. Means 7,007.7. Okay. Got it, children? Why? Because here two places have to come in centimeters. Okay. Because decimeter is value is 0. Then centimeter. So 7,007.07 divided by 7. Now divide 7,007.07 divided by 7. Now 7 ones are 7. Now subtract. Now bring down 0. So 0 times. Again 0. When take at a time also, children. At a time. 2 zeros, 0. Now bring down 7. 1 time, 7. Now I am taking here. So 7 minus 7 is 0. Now bring down 0. Can we divide, children? So can we divide, children? No. So again keep the 0. Now 0. Now bring down the 7. How many times, children? 1 time. So 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now what is the quotient, children? The quotient is 1001.01 meters and the remainder is remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Got it? Coming to next one. Mental mass. So fill in the blanks. 10 kgs plus 5 grams. 10 kgs plus 5 grams. So how many grams are there? So 10 kgs equal to 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Means 10 kgs equal to 10 into 1000. So 10 into 1000. How many will get? How many zeros will get? 5 zeros. 10,000 plus 5 grams. So 10,000 5 grams. Next 17 centimeters. 17 centimeters plus 20 meters. Millimeters. 20 millimeters equal to dash millimeters. We have to convert into first 17 centimeters as the millimeter. So already we know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. 17 into 10 equal to 170 millimeters. Now 170 millimeters plus 20 millimeters equal to 190 millimeters. So what is the missing number here? What is the value? 190 millimeters. Now 12 liters minus 70 ml. Milliliters equal to dash ml. First we convert 12 liters to the milliliters. So 12 into 1000. 12 into 1000. So 12,000. Okay. Now minus 70. Subtract 70. 0. 7 minus 0 minus 7 we cannot. From where we have to regroup it? Here. So this will be 9. This will be 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 9. Because we required here from thousands place we are taking. So 1000. But we need only 110. Remaining 900 here. So here 9 will be. So 1 here, 1 here. So how many milliliters, children? 11,930 milliliters. Now 7,400 grams minus 600 grams equal to how many kgs? So first subtract 7,400 grams minus 600 grams. Now 0, 0. Now 4 minus 6 can be? No, subtract. 4 will become 14. This 7 will become 6. 14 minus 6 is 8 and 6. So now we have to convert into kg. We have to convert into kg. So how many kgs it will be? Because already we know that one. So lower unit to bigger unit we have to divide. So how many zeros will be in there? 1 kg equal to 1000 here, 3 zeros. So 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. We are dividing with 1000. So we will get the 6 kgs 800 grams. So 6.8 kgs. 6.800 or what did you get? 6.800 or we will get 6.8. Okay, 6.8. Next one. 12 kilometers minus 600 meters equal to dash kilometers. We have to convert. And we have to complete. So 12 kilometers minus 600 meters. Okay, children. So here we have to first convert. For that easy. 12 kilometers equal to 1200 meters minus 600. What did you get? 0, 0. 0, 0. So 0 minus 6 we cannot. It will be 10. So here it will be 1. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 1, 1. So we have to convert as the kilometers. So what did you get? So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 kilometers. So here 3 zeros. 3 zeros means 3 decimal places will come. So here. So 11.400 kilometers or 11.4 kilometers. Okay. Next, 14 liters minus 700 milliliters. So 14 liters. Sorry, 4 liters. Sorry, here 4 liters minus 700 milliliters. 4 liters equal to. First we have to convert 4 liters equal to 4000 milliliters. Like we have to subtract minus 700 milliliters. Okay. So 0, 0, 0 minus 7 we cannot. From here regroup it. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here 3. So what did you get, children? 3300 ml or we can write as 3300 ml. 3300 ml. So 3300 ml or 3.3 liters also. So 3.3 liters is nothing but 3300 ml. Okay, 3300 ml. Okay, children, got it? Practice once again. Thank you.